How to turn stress into success. You know, many conversations start with a line. How are you? I'm fine, but I'm lying through my teeth. That is what you know in the back of your mind. Because we live in very difficult times. We're not always that fine. We live in stressful times with a lot of challenges in this time of history. But you know, there are a number of people that know how to turn stress into success. Hi, I'm Gustav Gous, life coach for leaders, international speaker, working on 5 continents, and it is my task to empower people on how to handle anything life throws at them. But you know, there's a time for every person that you must eat your own advice. And that happened to me very recently, where I had to face COVID and was this close to death. 19 days in hospital, high care, and survived and even came out stronger afterwards. But I always ask myself and other people, why is it that some people do not just survive, they actually thrive, they actually revive and thrive. When the challenge approaches, they say, bring it on. In the words of the Celine Dion song, when the storm rises up and the shadows descend, then they say, I'm unfazed, because I know how to turn every threat into an opportunity. You know, you are invited to a session where I'm going to share you the secrets that people who can turn stress into success, those secrets that they know, the 10 principles on how to handle anything life throws at you. I'm going to share with you the interesting stress formula of S equals TR squared, where the emphasis is not on the threat, but on our reactions towards the threat, and to empower you with new reactions. With the insights gained and the actions required, you will be able and be empowered to handle these difficult times and whatever comes your way. You know, you're invited. Follow the links below. Enroll now. How to turn stress into success. This is where you can be. Follow the links. Would love to see you in the session.